Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I'm here to show you probably the coolest fidget spinners my kids have ever owned. These are from Gokeey, and what makes them so unique is that you can transform them into other shapes. So you have 6 little arms that extend off of each fidget, and each arm is bendable. How cool is that? So you can even kind of shape shift this and make it look like some kind of monster or robot with legs, arms, and eyes. The spinner is really smooth, like you don't feel it getting caught as you're trying to spin it. They're very quiet, which is nice. My son will take these and try to stack some of them and get them to spin all at once. It's just a great toy to have to keep their hands busy, especially on car rides or places where they can't really move. We love fidgets for that reason. I know fidgets have been popular for so long, but these really drew me in because of how unique they are. And that's my point of view.